I am Shreya from New Horizon College of Engineering, EC Department of C section. Today I am going to talk about the topic given a diamond is merely a lump of coal that is extremely under tremendous pressure. It's a beautiful quote which means that each and everyone is special as diamonds. We are shaped and molded by the people we are, and the way we change due to teaching of life is just like the pressure is required to transform a piece of coal into a diamond. Like that, we are also require some pressure to transform ourselves. Sometimes the things get taught and we are caught between rock and hard places, and we might face some dark times also, but we should keep two things in our mind. The first is that the God will help us. The second is that under all the pressure, the hard work, amazing things can happen. And all of you know that the diamond is derived from coal, and the coal and diamonds are from the same source. In the world, there are so many amount of coals are present, but some amounts of diamonds are present. Similarly, among the peoples too, there are not so many are diamonds because all of are like coals. It's a reality to accept it because to be a diamond, one has go through lots of pressure and heat. If we wish to transform ourselves, then we are willing to take some pressure and heat, and also have some courage to swim against the tide. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. I'm Srirakshna. My name is Line and it's 1936 I'm from Basics Electronics and Communication. Today I'm going to raise my voice about a diamond is merely a lump of coal. The quote means that each and every person is special as diamonds. The pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal into a diamond. We are shaped and molded by the people. They will be judging us. Generally, the people will be judging others. They can't even stay a single day without judging others or speaking something about a person. In today's world, we are facing more and more stress and pressure on our daily basis. Sometimes the stress and pressure leads to a depression. Stress and pressure may be in traffic, exams, business tension, etc. Diamond is not made in a single day. What did I say? A diamond is not made in a single day. It takes several months and years. Coal when is kept into a diamond, the diamond and the coal are nothing but a carbon. You may not become a successful person in a day, but you get yourself under the thermometer's pressure. For a while, you are sure to shine brighter and brighter. Diamond has its own way of beauty. It has a unique beauty. Anyone can be a diamond when you force yourself under the tremendous pressure of hard work, standing capacity or capability on your decision. In the same way as the piece of the coal is put into the pressure, diamonds are actually older than the plants that are main ingredient of the formation of a coal. The carbon deposit deep in the earth. As I mentioned before, that it can be a diamond. We must work harder. Work harder, not only work harder leads to your success. It may lead. Work hard. We must work smarter. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Pooja and I am going to speak on the given quote that is, a diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. And the quote is given by Henry Kissinger. This quote depicts very well to our lives. I think it means you can do very well in everything you want to if you put in enough effort and hard work. So, until or unless you put enough effort and hard work, you will not shine. Most of us know that coal and diamond is physically different and it's chemically same. So, what made that difference? So, the difference is the coal, which went under tremendous pressure for many years and has converted into a precious diamond. If we relate it to our lives, we also need to go under pressure to achieve something or to shine as diamond. Each and every human is precious and unique. From transformation of coal to diamond, we need to go through intense pressure, which we have to bear with patience. This result will always be fruitful. So at last, I would like to say that we should love pressures that comes our way and we should deal with it. Only then we'll be successful in our lives. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Ritik from New Horizon College of Engineering. Today I am going to speak a topic called Diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure, written by Andre Ephrod. As you all know that both are carbon compounds. They are similar in chemical structures but they are different in physical properties. Diamond is too precious than coal as well as it is too costless than coal. The meaning of this quote is nothing but coal is converted into a diamond under tremendous pressure. In the same way, if we need to shine like a diamond, if we need to precious like a diamond, then we need to go under tremendous pressure. It is nothing but we need to face difficulties in our life. And one thing I noticed that my friends had done so many videos, even I had seen which is too good. Everyone has said that we should be positive, then only we can become like the diamond, and there's told so many things, but no one noticed about time, which is too precious than diamond. Coal is converted into a diamond, it takes time, thousands of years. Suddenly will not change, right? Suddenly will not happen anything. So time is very important. And one thing that teachers are the one who converts students' life from coal into a diamond. From this I will conclude that if you want to become like a diamond, you need to go under tremendous pressure. Thank you.
Hi, this is Tejas B. Mukesh. I am from New Horizon College of Engineering and I am currently pursuing Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I am going to speak about diamond. Diamond, as we all know, is composed of carbon, the same element which coal is made up of. And the reason diamond is diamond and not coal, which is used as a fuel and which doesn't have any value as such compared to diamond, is because the diamond is of so much value because it has done very well under extreme pressures, and it is also one of the hardest materials we can find in Earth's surface. So the direct inference from this what we can take is that a very few people can sustain the pressure that life puts upon them and can come out with it with flying colors. And the people who are such that they can sustain the pressure will always be in demand and they are of greater value to anybody in the society. Hence their value as life increases very much, and they contribute to the society very much. So that's why we can enrich and make our life so good that we can sustain the pressure and not worry about it or not get put down by it, and instead come out with flying colors in life. Yeah, thank you.
Good morning, I'm Dheeraj. My USN is 1NH190031. I'm going to speak up. My topic is regarding a diamond is merely a lump of coal that did extremely well under tremendous pressure. This could means that each and everyone is as special as diamonds. We are shaped and molded by people, and the way we change due to the teachings of life. Just the way pressure is needed to transform a piece of coal into a diamond, we also require a pressure for our transformation. Each and every human is precious and unique. From transformation of coal to diamond, we need to go through intense pressure which we have to bear with patience. The result will be always fruitful. it means that you can do well in anything you want if you put enough hard work and lot of effort. For example, if you take let's say you have never had a chance to play volleyball, but you love it. However, you are really bad. You want to be the best, or at least really good to play, and let your coach put you in. So you put a lot of effort and hard work to achieve the goal. In this aspect, we can do anything in life. Just we need to put our hard work and a lot of effort in. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm G. Lokesh of EC Department, C-section. My topic is diamond is merely a lump of gold that undergoes tremendous pressure. It means that each and everyone are special as diamond. The way we change due to teaching of our life is just like the pressure that changes a small coal piece into a diamond. Similarly, we should also have some pressure in our life to change ourselves. All of us know that diamond is derived from the coal, and coal and diamond are from the same sources. I conclude by saying that to be a diamond, we have to go through a lot of hard work and dedication to the work and ups and downs in our life. Thank you.